Hello, scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today with a scrapbookingstore.com kit share. And I am so crazy excited about this one. You don't even know. When I got my kit, I was just blown away by how gorgeous it is. So this month's theme is Winter Farmhouse. That is the collection that we are using, and it is from Simple Stories. So this is all of the goodies, and I'm just so excited. So let's jump right in. First off, I will show you the main kit, and then I will get in and show you the upgrades, which are just as amazing as the main kit. So the main kit, you are going to get the Simple Stories 12 by 12 collection kit that has 99 pieces in it, and it's amazing. I absolutely love the Simple Stories collection pack because it gives you a lot of the main papers, but it doesn't like go overboard and give you, every single thing. So in this one, let's see if it tells you how many papers. So you have 12 sheets of double-sided designer cardstock, including 4 element pages. So they have a 2x2, a 3x4, a 4x4, and then a 4x6 page. And then you also get the 1 sheet of cardstock stickers, which I absolutely love cardstock stickers. They are just such a fun embellishment to play with because they're already sticky, so you don't even have to glue them down, right? And this one has such adorable elements. I love the words. I love the cute little snowman, and that truck is just so dang cute. And then all the trees. And if you know me and have been following me for a little while, I'm obsessed with phrase stickers right now. I love the tags with the phrases on them as well. And then here's a little border at the bottom. So this is going to be so fun to incorporate onto layouts. And then let's jump right in. And I will start showing you the papers. Let's actually turn them this way. So this is the first one that we have. And this, it has the 4x6 elements on the back. I guess I have them upside down. I'm not used to the Simple Stories way of having the branding strip at the top, even though I use Simple Stories all the time. Silly me, huh? I love this Hello Winter one. The snowman one is super cute. There's no place like home. That's perfect, except for right now in Idaho, there's like no snow. At least on my side of Idaho, there's no snow. Okay, so that one came with the 4x6s and the plaid. Then this one has some pretty wreaths on it, and this one has the 4x4 cards on the back, and I love them. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, this one is just gorgeous. I love the red wood grain, and then the gingham or the plaid, whatever you want to call that. Okay, this one has the 3x4 on the back, but this side is really, really pretty. But this side has the 3x4 back there. So that's really pretty too. And this one is gorgeous. I love it. This one has the 2x2 little cards on the back. Sorry about the voice crack there. That was a little weird. It's been a long time since my voice has cracked like that. So there's the 2x2 ones. This one is really pretty. Look at that plaid. It's like a dark green mixed with like a lighter green. That's really pretty. Oh, that is so cute. I love that. Oh, sorry. My phone is making noises. I don't often use papers like that, but that's so cute. Oh, I love this. Oh my goodness. Look at that gorgeous pattern. So gorgeous. And then the back has a bunch of cute little mason jars with winter images in them. So stinking cute. Just so cute. Okay. Then we've got this nice green polka dot. Oh, wow. And then wood grain. Look at that with the trees. That is super pretty. Oh, and then we've got a nice wood grain. You cannot have a winter collection without a pretty wood grain, right? And then another snowflake. I really like those snowflakes too. Those are pretty. And then a nice little pine cone with florals. That's a pretty pattern. Oh, and a nice gingham on the back there. That's really pretty. Or checkered. I guess that's not really gingham, is it? Oh, that's pretty. I think not winter, Simple Stories has had a wintry tree paper like that before. This is really pretty. I love that green. So pretty. Okay, then we have this really pretty, it's kind of like a dark yellow, a mix. It's not really mustard, but it's like a darker yellowy mustard color, I guess. Oh, and then a gorgeous, gorgeous floral. Love, love, love that. And it's got the wood grain pattern behind there as well. That is so gorgeous. Okay, here we go. Another checkered layout or pattern paper. And then this really pretty simple blue with some detail. That's really, really pretty. I love that. And that is it for the papers. Really, really love all of those papers. You don't even know. I mean, if you know me as a scrapbooker, you probably do know how much I love those. Then we have the Simple Stories enamel dots from Winter Farmhouse. And these are just such pretty, pretty colors. They match the collection perfectly. Then we also have some American Craft stickers. These are glitter sticker alphas. I love that. They have both the upper and lower case, which is always a nice option, and especially for doing pocket pages, which I don't know if you know, but I am selling my very first class. It came out in December. And if you still want to sign up, you do it, because I am going to start and finish my 2020 album. So I'm super excited. I'm going to help you do the same thing. I'm going to teach you, motivate you, all of that fun stuff that we are going to do together as we make our 2020 albums. So there's going to be a lot of interaction in the class, on Facebook, on my website, just everywhere. And I really, really hope that you will come and join us. Class has probably already started by the time I post this, or it'll start in a couple days, but you can still jump in and join us. If you're watching this video late, if it's the middle of January, you know, whatever, please come and join us, because I am so excited to help you finish your album, start your album and finish it this year. I don't think I have any finished albums except for when my kids were little, because that's what I worked on for so long when I first started getting back into scrapbooking and everything after my kids, you know, had grown up a little bit. I wanted to finish my albums from when they were little. So I have all the way up through, I think it's 2008 scrapbooked, but that's all. And so I really want to finish a current layout or album with all of my layouts and my pocket pages and everything. And so that's kind of what spurred the idea to do the class. And it is a little spendy, but you are getting so much content and it's totally worth it. You're basically going to just be right by my side through all of 2020, and we are going to do so much together, and it's going to be awesome and just so much fun. I'm so excited. I can't even wait to start doing this class and everything. Obviously, I'm recording this video before class has started, but I'm so super excited. I hope that you will come and buy the class. I will have links below so that you can buy it, but sorry, this is supposed to be for Scrapbooking Store. But yeah, so this is the, what is this? The ephemera pack. So the Winter Farmhouse ephemera pack, and this is part of the upgrades. So the upgrades are an extra expense on top of the kit, but it's really affordable. So amazing. I am so excited to use all of these super cute additions to the kit this month. So there is the rest of the upgrades. Make sure you use my link below if you're going to subscribe or purchase the upgrades. And I will be back very soon with some more videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!